A very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Today is 28th of October 2020. As we have started chapter number 11, types of sentences. Yesterday I told you what is sentences. Sentences is a group of words which arrange in a proper way to make a complete sense. सेंटेंसेस क्या है कि ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है जिसे इस तरह से अरेंज किया जाता है जिसका एक कंप्लीट सेंस आए, उसे हम सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. सेंटेंसेस आर ऑफ मैनी टाइप्स. हियर वी कैन डिस्कस डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. Declarative sentences is also known as statement type of sentences or we can say assertive sentences. Declarative को statement type sentence भी बोला जाता है या assertive type of sentence भी बोला जाता है. It gives a statement only. ये एक statement दिया जाता है in which the first letter of the sentence must be capital and it ends with full stop. जिसमें हमें सेंटेंस शुरू करने से पहले सेंटेंस लेटर का वर्ड का फर्स्ट वर्ड लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए और उसका एंड हमें फुल स्टॉप में करना है. ओके, हियर सी द एग्जांपल. माय फ्रेंड इज कमिंग ओवर. सो द वर्ड माय एम इज कैपिटल एंड माय फ्रेंड इज कमिंग ओवर, देन वी हैव पुट फुल स्टॉप, राइट. नाउ सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन is interrogative type of sentences in which we can ask some questions, right? Like here we can say, do you want to come to my party? Do you want to come to my party? It means you are asking some question. आप कुछ प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं. Third type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory type of sentence, you have to express some strong feelings or you can express some ideas, thoughts like that. Here example is given, a monster is in my closet. Or we can say, wow, you have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match. So this type of feelings, when we express, that type of sentence is known as exclamatory sentences. Now we can go through in a detailed format. Statement type of sentence, it tells you something and it ends with a period. Example, his shorts are purple. So it is a declarative type of sentences. Okay, so here the statement tells something, ends with a friend. Here some gist is given to you. आप पिक्चर में देख रहे होंगे. Lion eats other animals. The sun is bright in the sky. I take my backpack to school. I fly my kite in the wind. An igloo is made of ice. Then the monster was silly. So these are some of the examples of statement or declarative type of sentence in which the first letter of the word must be capital and it ends with full stop. Now question. Question means interrogative type of sentence. It means it asks you something and it ends with question mark. हमें क्या लगाना है एंड में? क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है. जब भी क्वेश्चन मार्क सेंटेंस में आया हो तो आप ये समझ लीजिए कि ये एक इंट्रोगेटिव टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस है. एग्जाम्पल हियर इट इज देयर, इज रेड योर फेवरेट कलर? क्या रेड तुम्हारा फेवरेट कलर है? सो हियर सम क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. व्हाट से शुरू हुआ क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है. व्हाट इज योर नेम? व्हाट इज दैट? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? व्हेन जब टाइम को दिया जाता है तो इस व्हेन से भी क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. व्हेन डज स्कूल स्टार्ट? ओके, कब स्कूल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, टाइम को शो होता है. वेयर से आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है जो कि किसी जगह को शो करती है. वेयर डू यू लीव? ओके. देन वाई, रीज़न जिसमें होता है, क्यों बताते हैं, क्या कारण है. वाई आर यू क्राइंग? क्यों रो रहे हो आप? Why are you upset? क्यों उदास बैठे हो? इसका कारण बताना. Reason behind it you have to tell. Then who से related question. Who से बनाए. Who are you? कौन हो तुम? Who will be at the party? कौन आ रहा है पार्टी में? Like that. Then how to frame the question. ये भी एक कैसे क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे? Like this. So in this way, interrogative type of sentences, many words are there in which we can frame the questions like what, when, where, why, who, how, like that. Now third type of sentence is exclamatory sentences. Sentences containing surprise or emotions are called exclamation sentences. An exclamation point is placed at the end of the such sentence. You have to put an exclamation sign. आपको exclamation की sign बनानी पड़ेगी. Here some example is there. How beautiful this city is. Sign देख रहे हैं ना आप किस तरह का बना है? Sarah wiped the board. Oh, I miss the service. Don't talk, get out. Please help me now. Okay, now it's beautiful. What a coincidence this is. Wait, that bridge is rotten. I am so mad at her. God, I am in heaven. So students, so these are different types of sentences. Declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences. Here it is there. So through this PPT, you can able to now frame the sentence, or you can able to identify types of sentences through it. Okay. So I hope whatever we have discussed here through the PPT of types of sentences, it must be clear to you. Thank you so much.